What's up, everybody? In today's video, we're going to learn about how to make tools. First, you need your parts, a handle, and knowing how to weld them together, and a tool module, and of course, scripts. I just made a simple healer doing this. Let's just go. Yeah, here, testing healer. You see? Now when we go and test the game, the healer will just be there, and there is a damage brick next to it, just to test. You see this? Everyone needs their tool looking like this, holdable. And that's why I come here. We're damaged by the brick, and once I activate it, it heals. Isn't that cool, right? So first, go to workspace, tap the plus button, go down to see other, type here, and type a tool. Now, you can name your tool anything. I'm just gonna name it phone or something. Now it requires handle. It'll completely become this way. Now here's the tool. You can just write anything. This is phone. This is a phone. Now I'm going to show you how handles work. We just need to design our tool. And to do this, we just need a red cover. I'm just gonna add myself. You can just add anyone, but I'll just make it funnier by adding myself in this. So to test it, the right hand always holds the tool. So we need to go to animation light and make the rig look like he's holding something. The phone is looking pretty good. Now we want to add a handle. What is a handle? A handle is something required tool. Without the handle, the tool will just gather around the map. And you want the tool to be in your hand. And that's the goal of this video. We need a handle. So make sure the handle is invisible and bigger than the phone. It's size it to the phone. And now we weld them together. So first we go to part 0, make it the handle, and part 1, make it the part. And now when we spawn in, we try to take our phone. Oh, it'll look like this. So that's why we need another one. We need another one. But this time we want to weld the screen. So now part 0, handle, and the screen. Now when we spawn in, your phone will look like this. Isn't that cool? But I mean, you can change something. Let's try again. So now you know how to make tools. Now all you just need is to add some scripts.